Hello, I'm Esther from Gather and Create, and I'm showing a video today on how quick and easy it is to put a stamped project together. If you've never stamped before, then keep watching. This video is for you. I have in front of me a stamp set called Amazing Life from Stampin' Up, and it is photopolymer, which means it is clear. And you need some blocks to put it on. So I have these blocks available in my store in various sizes, and you just literally peel off the carrier sheet and pop them on your blocks. I have some glue. I have an ink pad, and I've cut a piece of our patterned paper down to 10.8 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. I have a card and envelope. So let's get going. I'll show you what we're making. We are making this good luck card, so let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is pop my piece of paper on. This will help me then know where the stamp needs to go. So just light squiggles, and a liquid glue will give you a nice bit of wiggle room, because if you go slightly wonky, you've got a little bit of time to just straighten that up. Okay, so that in place, I now know where I want to place my stamps. So your ink pad, you just literally lift up like a compact and then push it in. I'll just turn it that way. You've even got little stickers that go on the inside, so if you've got colours open in front of you, you'll see exactly which colour it is by the strip, because you can't always tell by the pad itself. So to stamp, have a piece of scrap paper or grid paper here, and the blocks have grooves in them, so your fingers will fit very comfortably round. And to ink up a stamp, you just tap, tap, tap. Place it down and lift it up, and it really is as simple as that. It is great to just use your scrap paper to know what kind of pressure it needs. This stamp is smaller, so it's going to need less pressure. So again, to recap, tap, 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 bring your card over, and I want it about here, so I'm pressing down and lifting up, and that's your perfect stamped impression. So again, I'm switching stamps, so I really want to make sure I get the pressure right. Have a little play. It is a very small image with a fine line, so it doesn't need much pressure. Tap, 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 and then just to figure out where you want it. And I think I'm going to go right here. Okay, so that's your stamped image there. And I'm going to also pop one on the envelope. So there you are. One very quick stamped card that you'll be very pleased, I'm sure, to give to friends or family who need a little bit of encouragement. Thanks for watching. Everything is in the link in the description below, and yeah, just contact me if you have any questions about stamping. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.